In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Google Ads account to Google Merchant Center. Connecting these two makes it possible to run shopping campaigns and keep your product data in sync, so your ads can pull accurate titles, prices, and availability straight from your Merchant Center. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the correct Google profile and that you have the right access in both accounts. Admin or standard access usually works best. Begin by opening your Google Ads account in a desktop browser. Once you're in, look toward the top right area of the interface for the Tools and Settings icon. It looks like a small wrench. Click that to open the main menu where Google groups all of your setup and management options. From that menu, choose Data Manager. This is the central place in Google Ads where you connect data sources and partners. When the Data Manager page loads, you'll see a set of cards or tiles for different integrations. Your goal is to locate Google Merchant Center. If you don't see it right away, scroll down or use the search bar on the page and type Merchant Center to bring it up quickly. Click Google Merchant Center. That opens the guided linking flow. From here, simply follow the prompts on your screen. Typically, you'll be asked to confirm which Google account you're using, select the Merchant Center account you want to link, and grant the necessary permissions so Google Ads can access your product data. If you manage more than one Merchant Center, double-check the store name and ID so you pick the correct one. When the prompts ask you to continue, confirm, or link, go ahead and proceed. In some setups, the link request might need to be approved within Merchant Center. If you're prompted for that, watch for an on-screen notice or an email, then approve the request in Merchant Center to finalize the connection. Once complete, you'll be returned to Google Ads and should see the status change to linked or active. Give it a few minutes for everything to sync. If Merchant Center doesn't appear in Data Manager, verify your access level, try a quick browser refresh, or check for pop-up blockers that might hide a permission window. If you work inside a manager account, make sure you're linking at the correct account level. That's it. Open Google Ads, click Tools and Settings, go to Data Manager, find Google Merchant Center, click it, and follow the prompts. With the link in place, you're ready to build shopping campaigns that automatically use your product feed from Merchant Center.